In this video, we're going to look at how we can specify the default font for our subscribe form. From here, we just need to hop over to the Styles menu. We can navigate to the font section over here. So at the moment, we can see all our font is in Helvetica. If you wish to specify a new font, we just need to open the drop-down menu and you can browse from the list. So perhaps we wanted Standard Arial. Okay, that's updated. Sometimes though, you want a bit more customization by using a custom font. We can also use custom fonts such as Google Fonts. Let's introduce a Google custom font and use it on our subscribe form. So to do that, we just need to open the drop-down menu for font. If we scroll down to the bottom, we see we've got a Your Custom Font section. So at the moment, we haven't added any custom fonts. We can click on the plus button over here to start adding one. Okay, so to do that, we just need the font import URL and the font family. So if we hop over to Google Fonts, and here's a font we selected earlier on, one called Inter. So we just need the import URL. So let's copy the import URL here. And let's go back to your email blaster and we can paste it here. And now the font family. So again, let's go back to Google and the font family is just here. Again, let's copy it and paste it into the box here. When you're ready, hit Add Font. Okay, that will now be added and loaded inside your design. Okay, perfect. We can see, look, that's now been added and is now being used on our design and is ready to go.